Kick it at her. Gosh, you say mean TT.
No.
Nope.
Mean daddy.
Me daddy.
Mean daddy. Say woohoo!
She sees the phone now.
Me daddy.
Get it.
How do you get it?
Oh, Spencer with the moves. Trying to show off. T doesn't have any moves.
Where's that?
Where's the ball?
Oh.
Why does TT always kick the ball at you?
You got it.
Come
Woohoo!
on, get it.
Yay! Kylie.
Way to go.
Kick it at her face.
Where's the ball? I don't have it. Where'd it go?
You got it.
Say ball.
No, you don't want it.
Yeah, she'll feel like herself in there.
Who is that?
Who is that?
Pretty baby.
Are you run? Mean Aunt TT. God. She kicks the ball at you all the time.
Get it.
Where's baby Carly? Hey, don't throw the ball into the net.
It's alright. It won't hurt it.
Give her kisses.
Mm.
Say hi, DJ. Oh!
Love you, Dad.
Throw it to DJ. Throw it. Oh, you dropped it.
Bringing Ferrat. Hey, you gonna throw it to me?
Throw it to him. Throw it.
1.
Oh, try it again. We're gonna get it on camera. Oh, thank you. Now I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it to you guys.
Catch Carly. One at her face. Tabba. Kick it to DJ. Kick it. Shut it down and kick it.
Your foot.
You kick it. Kick it with your foot. You kick it. Okay. Kick it. You kick it.
Carly kick it.
Kick it.
What? Kick it. Yeah, kick the ball.
You
Kick
kick
the ball.
TT.
Kick the ball.
No.
Yeah, I think she's
Can you
gonna
hit
kick
it? Who is that? Who's that? Hey,
She's trying to figure out how to kick and she's going.
where's Dodo? You don't know? Where's Mama? Where's Bubby? Where you going?